Hi, my name is Amir Nota, Product Development Engineer here at Beyond LED Technology. Let me introduce to you our brand new parking garage light, PARKLITE PRO. This is the world's only parking garage light with this is the most feature-rich product in the world. We just introduced in our light fair. Let me unbox this here. It's a beautiful fixture. So this is our parking garage light. I mean, it's very similar to our Casa, but this is the most feature-rich right now. The key features are this is wattage, CCT adjustable. The wattage adjustable is from all the way from 20 watt and go all the way to 80 watt. CCT 3K, 4K, 5K. But what's the major key features are, this one has built-in motion sensor, okay? So, and it's invisible built in to the PCB. So it's invisible motion sensor built in, and there is a switch right up here. I think I have to open it just up here. You guys can see this right here, switch. There are 4 switches. One switch is your wattage from all the way from 20 watt to 80 watt. The second switch is 3K, 4K, 5K. The third switch is your on and off photocell. So you can just turn on and off. So this one has a built-in photocell. Again, it's invisible. This is the latest technology which is built in to your PCB. And the last switch is about your on and off for the motion sensor. So occupancy motion sensor is also built into the PCB. You can use it on and off. The first function on and off means that if there is no motion, the lights automatically shuts off after 10 minutes. And if you use it in the middle, if you just move it to the middle, it's basically after 10 minutes, if there is no motion, it dims down to 10%. So, you know, your older model like Casa, you have to buy those motion sensors or photocell separately, which cost around 25-30 bucks each. This one is built in. So kind of the price of the motion sensor and photocell, you get the entire fixture for this price. Amazing feature. Again, the other advantage that I mentioned, that the wattage is going all the way from 20 to 80 watt, 20, 40, 60, 70, and 80 watt. It's a beautiful, nice fixture. We just came up with this as 2025 product of the year. Please call your sales rep for more details and visit our website beyondledtechnology.com. Thank you for watching.